What's a cold Seattle adventure without taking the Link light rail? And if you can see, it's cold. Hurry up, the train's upstairs. I think I'm gonna miss the train. No. Malik, nomadic travel, baby. You know how we get down. Now I'm gonna make my way to the needle. The Friends experience, just talk to people. What? I don't get it. Like, oh, there's a thing. A little banana. Let's check out the banana stand. May I ask, what is this?
It's free bananas.
Free bananas. You gotta be bananas to not take a free banana.
Bananas over here.
Go home, bro. You're like 30. What are you doing out here? Doors swung wide open. Ooh. May one of you guys take a picture of me?
Yeah, I'll be happy to.
Yeah, thank you. My wife-to-be was supposed to do it, but she rejected me, so this is our date. I know. So now I'm lonely in Seattle.
1, 2, 3.
Next point of destination, Museum of Pop Culture. Or as they call it, MoPop. Or as I like to call it, museum. That's pretty cool. We got a free Nirvana concert. We're gonna go to Scared to Death. Cause you know why? I'm not scared. I'm terrified. Nah, I'm good off that actually. I tried. You can't say I didn't make an attempt to. I'm good. I'm good off that. I'm not fucking with this. Like this is some crazy shit. I'm in the studio. Is you stupid though? I rhyme, I rap like I'm Lil Cool J, LL Boudet.
What a load of garbage.